Let us learn touching circles. Circle must be coplanar and intersect at one point only. Such circles are said to be circles touching each other. The point common to the circle is only one point. In the figure, the circle with center R and S touch the line L in point T. So, they are two touching circles with L as a common tangent. They are touching externally. In figure, the circles with centers M, N touch each other internally and line P is their common tangent. Touching point is K. Theorem of touching circles. Theorem: if two circles touch each other, their point of contact lies on the line joining their centers. In this figure, two circles touching each other internally. M and N are the center of this touching circle. K is touching point. From K, line P is tangent in point K. Given K is the point of contact of the two circles with center M and N. To prove point K lies on the line MN, we have to find these 3 points are collinear points lie on the same line. Proof: MK and NK is the radius of this two circle and K touching point. Segment MK is perpendicular to the line P. The reason is tangent theorem. Segment NK perpendicular line P. The reason is tangent theorem. From any point on the line P, we can draw only one perpendicular line from one point. But in this case, there is two lines in touching point K, that is MK and NK. Point M, N and K are collinear points. Hence we can say that point K lie on the line MN. R1 is greater than R2. That means MK is equal to Mn plus NK. We have to find the distance between these two center, that is Mn. Hence Mn is equal to Mk minus Nk. Hence Mn is equal to R1 minus R2. When two circles are touching each other, then segment RT is perpendicular to the line L. The reason is tangent theorem. Segment ST is radius of the small circle is perpendicular to the line EL. The reason is tangent theorem. These two angles are linear pair. The sum of this angle 90 degree plus 90 degree, that is 180. Hence we can say that ray TR and TS are opposite to each other at point T. Hence point R, T and S are collinear points. RS is equal to RT plus ST, that is RS is equal to R1 plus R2.